but I can play.
Leah, what's that?
Say happy birthday. 2 years old.
Look at who is that? Who is that? That's not Zoe, is it?
You missing?
The one with the wings? That's
Abby Cadabby.
Abby Cadabby, sorry. Ooh, is that Abby Cadabby?
Does she know who?
Yeah.
Who is that?
Abby Cadabby.
Abby Cadabby.
Yay! From Sesame Street.
She knows the characters already.
Oh yeah.
She does.
We can look through a book and be like, "Where's Oscar?" And she's like, she like points them all out.
Wow.
She don't know how
Want
to
me to help
say
you?
I don't know what makes it different. Every birthday wish comes true.
What is it? Now this is from Troy and Daryl.
Very nice.
Ooh.
Oh, a doctor.
Ooh.
Stethoscope.
Be a doctor.
You can wear that around her neck.
Gotta open it up.
Yeah.
Gotta open it. Oh, help me.
Oh.
Yeah, we can take the doctor with it. Yeah.
Get this out of here.
Better?